Hello, this is the Douglas County Health Department presenting an updated video tutorial on how to create an appointment for one of our COVID-19 vaccination clinics. The appointment making process is similar for each vaccine. For this tutorial, we are going to choose a first dose Moderna vaccine. First, you will need to go into your browser and search for dchealthdept.org and click Enter. Navigate to the link as shown. Once you are on our website, you can scroll down and you will see the following screen, where you can choose from one of the three vaccines, which consist of single-dose Johnson & Johnson, first and second dose Moderna, or first and second dose Pfizer. If applicable to you following current guidelines, we also offer the booster dose of Pfizer. We will navigate to the link titled Schedule a Moderna Vaccine Appointment and click on it. It will then open a new window as shown. Once here, you can click any of the green boxes to choose a time slot that best fits your schedule. Once a time slot is chosen, click on the green box and it will take you to the next screen. This next screen will ask that you confirm what dose you are receiving. In this case, you will be choosing a first dose. After selecting what dose you are receiving, you will then click Add to Cart and be brought to the next screen. Please note immediately upon adding to your cart that in the top right corner shown here, there is a timer. This timer will count down during the process of filling out the appointment. If the timer runs out, you will have to restart your appointment making process. You will need to look over your cart and ensure that you have the correct dose as shown here. Once you verify it is correct, you will then click the Continue button and be taken to the next screen. This next screen asks that you enter any and all information marked as required, which we will go over now. First, you will enter an email address. You are asked for an email address simply so that a confirmation of your appointment can be sent to you. You will then be asked to enter your phone number. This is to allow for confirmations and reminders of the appointment. You will then enter information in the boxes as follows: your first, middle, and last name, your date of birth, your gender, your race, your email again, your phone number again, your home address, the zip code of the city you reside in, the city you reside in, the country you reside in, and finally, the state you reside in. After you complete all of the information, you will then click the Continue button at the bottom right. After clicking on the button, it will take you to a new screen where you can go through and confirm that all of your information you have entered is correct. Once you have verified that all information is correct, click the Submit Registration button in the bottom right. Once your appointment registration has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation email shortly after. You will then need to return to our website and click on the consent form for the vaccine you have chosen and print it out as shown here. You can fill out the front and back form and bring it to your appointment for a quicker check-in process. Please note, you do not need to print out the fact sheet and/or EUA for the vaccine, but we do recommend that you read over the content provided if you have any questions regarding the vaccine. If you have any further questions about the vaccine or making an appointment, feel free to reach us at 217-253-4137. Thank you.